In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MIDI keyboard to Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to plug your MIDI keyboard into your computer via USB, MIDI interface, or something similar. Whenever you do this, it's actually recommended to close down Pro Tools and reopen your session again, just to make sure it's actually going to get recognized. Then you want to go to the Setup tab up top over here, and as you can see here, it says MIDI towards the bottom. You want to hover over it, and from here it says MIDI input devices. So to actually connect your MIDI keyboard, you simply want to click on here, then it's going to list your MIDI keyboard over here. You should be able to see it, and then you simply want to click on a check mark next to it, click on OK, and it's going to connect your MIDI keyboard to your Pro Tools session. So that's really all you have to do, and of course from there you can go and set up instrument tracks. So we can go to track over here and then create a new one, and then from here you can create over here instrument track, or of course whatever you want to do here, and then you'll be able to basically add it and use it inside here. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.